Leo, Leo, can you hear me? Please answer Dad if you can hear me. Why is nobody stopping? Our son is somewhere in this crowd completely alone.
Tom. Shouting his name in a crowd this size is not going to help us find him. We need to stop moving and think clearly right now.
How are you managing to stay so calm right now? Our 6-year-old son is somewhere in this theme park, completely alone, and I cannot see him anywhere.
I am not calm, Tom. I am focused. There is a difference between being calm and being focused.
Mom, Dad, listen to me. Where did we last actually see Leo? We were all walking together near the roller coaster entrance, and he was right beside Dad. And then suddenly, he was just gone.
I was looking at the map for no more than 2 seconds to check which direction we needed to go. Just 2 seconds, and he was completely gone.
We need to stop moving and think about where we last saw him.
I genuinely have no idea what the right thing to do is, and that feeling is absolutely terrifying.
We find the information desk near the entrance of the park, and then we trust that Leo remembered everything I taught him the night before we left.
You planned for Leo getting lost at a theme park before we even arrived here?
Tom, I am a mother. I plan for everything. Now please follow me to the information desk. Leo, before we go to the theme park tomorrow, there is something very important that I need to talk to you about.
Is this about the theme park? Because I have been thinking about the roller coaster all week.
Theme parks are wonderful and exciting places, but they are also very big and very crowded with many people. Sometimes, in places that are big and crowded, families can get separated from each other.
What does separated mean exactly?
Separated means you might not be able to see us for a short while. I'm going to give you 3 simple rules, and I need you to remember all 3 of them.
I am completely ready to listen. Please tell me the 3 rules.
Rule number 1. If you ever cannot see us, stop walking immediately. Do not run in any direction. Simply stop exactly where you are.
Stop walking immediately and do not move from that spot.
Rule number 2. Look around carefully for someone who works at the theme park. The people who work there wear a special uniform. They have a particular colored shirt or a badge on their clothes. When you find someone in a uniform, walk up to them calmly and say these exact words. "Excuse me, I am lost and I need help finding my family."
Excuse me, I am lost and I need help finding my family. Those words are not very difficult to remember at all.
Rule number 3. Ask the staff member to take you to the information desk. Every theme park has an information desk near the main entrance. That is the place where your father and I will come immediately to find you if we ever get separated.
Stop immediately. Find someone in a uniform. Go to the information desk near the entrance. Those are the 3 rules, and I have already memorized all of them perfectly.
That is exactly right, Leo. I am very proud of you for listening so carefully.
Mom, I am 6 years old. I am not a small baby who needs to practice walking anymore.
Leo, you cried for 20 minutes last Tuesday because your sandwich was cut into triangles instead of squares.
That was a completely different situation, and I do not wish to discuss it any further.
Clara, I genuinely think you are worrying about something that is never going to happen to us. We are going to stay together as a family the entire time, and nobody is going to get lost.
You are absolutely right, Tom. Nobody is going to get lost, because Leo now knows exactly what to do if it ever happens. Don't you, Leo?